I haven't really looked at the nominations. I'm really here this evening because they're celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema, and because they're going to be honoring all the legendary stars of yesteryear. So that's what I'm really looking forward to. I haven't seen it. I'm sure they've done a great job. But it's nice, when you have old wine in new bottles and they're put out there for, the current generation to see. Yeah, why not?
I think great, every year people work hard and they get nominated and then they keep their fingers crossed to get an award. But I think obviously the deserved people always get it, and this year we had some great films, and I'm definitely going to cheer for the best ones. Yeah. I would say Dirty Picture was a great film. I love Dawn 2 as well. But like I said, Dirty Picture was one film which is a favorite with most of the people, so it was a different genre that director explored, so I would say yes. I have a film called Maximum, which is in the Siruddin Shah, which is coming in April. It's a Bombay-based cop drama action film, so I'm really looking forward to that.
I'm excited because this is the first time that I have been nominated for the Apsara Award, so it's nice. I'm excited. Yeah, I just heard about it. I really don't know the reason, but I'll know it very soon. अच्छा और मेहनत करने का मन करता है. Even if I don't get the award, I think I'll try to work harder this time so that next time I get it.
I never went anywhere, so I cannot be away. I was very much here, and I am very much here now also.
Well, elated, happy, humbled, grateful, and along with all these things, I feel a tremendous sense of responsibility, because an honor conferred by the President of India is something that imposes a responsibility on you, so that you continue to do the work that you're doing with greater responsibility and added strength. For me, what is particularly nice is that Javed Sahab has received this award about 4-5 years ago, so you all can now call us Mr. and Mrs. Padma Bhushan. देखिए, मुझे मालूम है कि जब आप ये सवाल मुझसे पूछते हैं तो मुझे बहुत ही संजीदगी से एक बिल्कुल न्यूट्रल शक्ल बनाकर बात करनी चाहिए, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली दिल है कि मानता नहीं, सो आई होप ज़ोया अख्तर गेट्स इट, पर जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
A very exciting year for cinema, ups and downs, lots of progress in terms of women really being heard and standing out there, which is wonderful, because I've always believed in, woman power, and I think it's great. It's an exciting time for all of us. I think Vidya Balan was just outstanding. I think Zindagi was a fantastic film. So yeah, exciting to be here. There's going to be some fabulous performances, and I think the reason that we all come to Apsara is really just to show support to all the producers, because without them nothing is possible. And I remember when I produced my own album, and it was just a matter of 2 videos, I know that I was tearing my hair out. So to do an entire film is really, I think you have to have a very, very large heart to make a film. So it's just to celebrate with them and to be here for them tonight.
They're fantastic. There's tough competition. Everyone is so worthy. And I thank God I'm not any part of the jury, because I would have a very tough time deciding who should actually be the winner. For Best Actress, I think Vidya Balan for sure. I definitely. Best Actor, there are so many. Hrithik and Farhan was spectacular. Singham Ajay Devgan was spectacular. And Rockstar Ranbir was so good. So there's a lot of stiff competition. But yes, in the category of women, I think Vidya undoubtedly deserves it.
I think the nominations are fantastic. I think Vidya is going to walk away with everything. Or hopefully Ajay, I'm rooting for him for Singham. So I hope he wins something. Well, I think that Amit ji has done very, very trend-setting films, और अच्छी बात ये है क्योंकि I feel industry is running out of good scripts. जहाँ की we are taking so many scripts from the south, तो south से क्यों ले लेते हैं? अमित जी से लेंगे अभी.
I don't actually. I know that my film Dam Maro Dam is nominated. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope Dam Maro Dam wins.